Hello, Jamie here. I thought I'd do an update to this video since my other one might be a little bit outdated. So I'm starting off as you've just installed the app. So click on allow for the first few pop-ups. It's not essential if you don't want to click on them, but you can do if you want. Okay, then click on OK. Then go to settings. Click on access to files will be lost. On mine it brings up the Poweramp Unlocker app first, so you can go back a screen, so it actually brings up the settings for just the Poweramp app. If it says remove permissions, if the app is unused, make sure this is unticked, and then go to permissions and again untick pause app activity if unused. Brilliant. Now that you've done that, scroll down to library. Click on the music folder, then select folder or storage, then continue. Mine comes up with my music folder, but you can go to the location of where your music is actually saved and then select use this folder. Click on allow, then save and scan, and then click on full rescan. Now from testing on a Xiaomi phone, it seems to load up everything fine, but for Samsung and OnePlus and potentially other Android phones it may struggle, so this is what I did. Go to your phone settings and do a search for all file access and go into all file access settings. Now we need to select show system apps. There should be 3 dots and you can click on system apps. Then scroll down to external storage and enable it. On some phones like my OnePlus, you can enable media storage if that's shown as well. And then go back to the Poweramp app and go to settings and then click on library and then full rescan. And then if you go back to your artists, you will see that all of your album art should be there. I will be doing a video at some point that will show you all the song lyrics. So all you have to do is go into your song and then swipe upwards and it will show you all the lyrics. So I'll be doing a video on that at some point. Okay, for a lot of you that should have worked, but if not, I do have a plan B, and it's to download it off the Poweramp website. It's a slightly different version. So we're going to open it up and I'll put the link in the description or pin a comment. We want to download the Poweramp build 1025uni.apk. Okay, so we're going to scroll down and download this file. Click on agree and download, and then open it up and then install it. Okay, you can click on allow to these as well if you want. Yep, click on OK, and then click on that little burger menu at the bottom right and go to settings. Scroll down a little bit and then find library again. And on this version we've got an additional setting called File Access Legacy Mode. This wasn't available in the other version, so we're going to select that and enable it. Click on the music folder and then you're going to get all these scary folders come up, but you just need to click on the arrow next to the internal storage at the top and then you need to select the folder where your music is. What I did was create a folder in the music folder and then put all my music in there in subfolders, and then you're going to see all my music is in that MP3 folder, so I just find it easy if you have it in one place. Once you've ticked it so it selects all your artists, click on save and scan and then it's going to start scanning it again. Okay, let's go back to your artists and let's see. There we go. Great work, you've made it to the end of the video, so hopefully you're seeing all your album art. So yeah, check out more of my videos. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you hated it, subscribe. Okay, thanks very much everyone. Bye.